Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine open world tutorial series. So yeah, this time I wanted to restore my time of day system. So I started experimenting with Unreal's new sky atmosphere component. So however, it seems that we can't have stars in there, so I started working on a night scene. So it is not done yet, so this is where I'm going to head in the end of this episode. So right, and as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. So I started this project in Unreal Engine 4.20 as I remember. So at that time we did not have a dynamic atmosphere component in Unreal by default. So because of that, I simply extended the sky sphere, the default sky sphere, and created this extended sky sphere with features like time of day and other stuff like making it dark when it's going to rain. So I created this. So yeah, I created that dynamic system. So these are the things that I have at the moment. I can change the time like this. So yeah, we can do stuff basically. So yeah, now that there is a default component in Unreal Engine, I want to see how to integrate that dynamic sky sphere atmosphere component into my project. So before I put that in this main map, let's create a new level like this, which has a dynamic sky atmosphere component, and see how it happens. What is chrome radius? Okay, yeah, so actually here what happens is, let's see, if I rotate this sun, oh, the sky changes, cool. But what about the stars? Why it doesn't have any stars now? Because previous one did have stars. Well, I tried searching, but I couldn't find. It seems like, okay, so this is a physically based rendering system, so that means the sky dome itself would not have stars, because the stars should be outside there of that. So I don't know, maybe that's why they haven't included any stars in this system, because I thought I would get stars if I make it night time like this, but seems I was wrong. Okay, so yeah, this has pretty good set of parameters, by the way. But maybe I'll stick with the older one because it has stars and I want stars. Alright, so let's go back to the older system. And yeah, but this system is also kind of broken after doing some modifications. For example, if I make it like 2, wait, yeah, there are stars, but still there are clouds as well. So yeah, maybe we should restore that system to work properly again. So I'll make this one daytime, and then I'll make this to 1, and if I play, let's see what happens. Oh, it's too fast. Let's make it 0.1 then. Still it is too fast. Okay, the sun is down. But it's not dark. I need to fix that. Oh, we can try something else. Yeah, this is the previous, no, this is the previous material of the sky sphere. Maybe we can use this stars texture and integrate that part into this sky time of day atmosphere, so that we can have stars here. Shall we try that? Okay. Wait, why don't I get any? Okay. Don't save. Right. Now to do that, so this is the material, M time of day, and it is in the engine content folder. So it's let's make a copy of this one. Into one of our game folders, so otherwise when I try to open this project in another computer, I wouldn't have these changes that I have done in the engine content folder. So where should I? Okay, and the material, I'll create a new folder, sky. Let's move it there. Now let's copy there, and also yeah, then I'll close this one, and let's save this map first. Sky test, and let's use the duplicated material as for the material of this one. Right, now let's make it night time, and then not this one. Let's open this material. So where is the rotation is taking place? Alright, so yeah, sky atmosphere light direction. I think this is the input that controls that gets the rotation of the directional light, and this is cloud luminance. Okay, let's try something like this. Let me get the stars texture and place it here. Oh, there is and let's replace this connection with this. And shall we see how it looks now? Oh, I think those are the stars, and they look flat. Maybe that's because of this. That's because of this aerial perspective thing. Okay, let's skip that part and apply here. Okay, we got stars, but not in the upper side. So yeah, what happens if I rotate this? It stays there. All right. Okay, well, so yeah, now I'm pretty sure that we have to plug this part here, and I don't really have any idea what are they doing here. It looks like scaling up and giving some offset. Yeah, giving some offset to move the sky. So this is the sky. This is styling noise, a noise texture that they have used to model stars. Okay, so then, all right, yeah, let's connect this part into the UV part of here, and then let's apply this one here, and let's see how it looks now. Alright, now we go to stars, but it looks very well, not like stars, because that looks bad, too large for stars. Okay, but this is still right. Yeah, now actually if I blend this star texture and the cloud texture, then yeah, I should be able to get it working. Okay, now let's try to fix this perspective effect, because it may look cool for clouds, but it is not actually cool for stars. So let's disconnect this and maybe yeah, let's keep it like this and this one like this, and let's try what's here, it here, and see how it looks. Okay, maybe we need to increase the tiling. Let's do another part. Let's use the same thing like this, and I'll increase this into 500 and apply. Now it looks tiled here, not good. but we are making progress. We are definitely making progress. Oh, all right. So yeah, I think this sky dome is okay. So this is not really a good, not really actually a sphere as in previous one. This is actually a deformed sphere. So yeah, we can, if I make the this y value same as the x value, then it would be like this, and how it looks like this. Okay, then I think the tiling is too much. So if I reduce tiling here, let's set it. Okay, now it looks like this. Not good, of course, but I'm just experimenting. What if I make it 1? Okay, this is bad. Right, let's try 5. Okay, maybe it's too bright. Shall we try a different texture? We got some sky textures. Can we use these? Oh, this is from Unreal. Okay, I downloaded this texture. Let's see how it looks with here. I'll set the tiling to 1. Ooh. Oh. It looks kind of hypnotizing. Right, maybe let's forget about this. This sky sphere. Oh, why does it has tile in here? I set it to 1. Okay, doesn't matter. So yeah, so what I was saying is maybe instead of trying to make it work on this sky sphere, let's hide this and add a new mesh, just a sphere. Let's make it what's the scale of this one? 10,000. Okay, let's try that scale. for this sphere, and let's just apply that texture. Can I drag and drop? Oh, I can. Oh, right. Let's break it and add to emissive color. What's the material type of this one? It should be unlit. Yeah. Maybe this would look good. And two-sided. Otherwise, I won't see it from. That actually looks better. See? Oh no, not that one. That was the other one. Let's make this one hidden in the game. We don't have to go to the game to see that. Okay, maybe we can start working with this one, but there are too many stars. We need to reduce that. Shall we reduce the brightness of this one a little bit? Let's add a multiplier. Oh, that's easier for the eyes. What if I do something like 0.05? Oh, much better. Much easier for the eyes. Can we reduce it further? Then I can't see them, right? Oh, I can. Only some of them though. But is it enough? And how do I get this light here? Is it from the skylight? Yeah, it is from the skylight. Do I need to recapture it? Oh, we don't have it. Maybe let's add a small light here so that we can see stuff. Okay, I think I need to increase this a little bit, otherwise I can't see things. Cool. This is actually good. Alright, so yeah, I guess I have some place to start, and eventually maybe I will be able to create a proper night sky scene, and I'll stop this episode at this point. So yeah, I'll definitely continue to work on this. This seems interesting. So yeah, so if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. The link would be in the description below. And I have released a new episode in my third person shooter series. If you are in the Patreon, you can watch that. And see you in the next episode. Goodbye.